You can grow gourmet mushrooms in your kitchen all year round in a space the size of a shoebox. But most beginners kill their first indoor grow without ever knowing why. The good news? Indoors, you control everything: temperature, humidity, air, and light. Get those four right and mushrooms practically grow themselves. Mistake 1: contamination. Indoors, mold and bacteria compete for the same food as your mushrooms. One dirty touch can take the whole grow. The fix is simple: clean hands, clean surfaces, and fresh, sterile substrate. Work clean and let the mushrooms win the race. Mistake 2: dry air. Indoor heating pulls moisture out of the room, and a dry block simply stops producing. Keep the humidity high, around 90%. A simple tub with a few holes and a daily misting does the job. Mistake 3: no fresh air. Mushrooms breathe. Trapped in stale air, they grow long, thin, and weak. Fan them a few times a day or add small air holes. Fresh air gives you thick stems and big, healthy caps. Mistake 4: heat and direct sun. Most mushrooms want it cool, around 60 to 70 degrees, and they never need direct sunlight. Indirect room light is plenty. A shelf, a closet, or a basement corner is perfect. Mistake 5: harvesting too late. Pick them just as the caps flatten out, before they drop spores everywhere. Get those right, and one block can give you flush after flush. Indoor growing isn't hard. It's just a few simple rules. Start your first indoor grow this week. Everything you need is waiting at 2020mushrooms.com.